someone. Love is all you want. Missing someone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am back with another video. Today's video is actually my favorite kind of style, is Indo-western, and I love Indo-western style out of all the fashion style that we have. So today I am going to show you all how you can style Indo-western outfit out of your old boring outfits that you have and you do not want to wear them again. So these are some easy way to style your boring outfits. So without further ado, let's just quickly get started. That was some pretty outfits that I created from my old boring clothes. So yes, you style it too if you liked it. And if you like the video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, bye bye, take care.